Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Jeep Grand Cherokee fog lights. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine completely off. For your safety, it is crucial to disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin any work. This simple step prevents accidental electrical shorts and ensures a safe working environment. To access the fog light, begin by turning your steering wheel fully to the side of the vehicle where you are working. This provides better access to the wheel well. Next, locate the 3 plastic push pins that hold the fender liner in place. Carefully remove these pins using your flathead screwdriver. Once the pins are out, gently pull back the fender liner to reveal the fog light assembly behind it. Now it is time to replace the bulb. Carefully twist the old fog light bulb counterclockwise approximately 1/4 of a turn to release it from its housing. Once loose, gently pull the bulb straight out. Next, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small release tab and pulling it away from the bulb. Insert your new bulb, ensuring it is properly aligned, then twist it clockwise until it is securely seated in the housing. With the new bulb in place, reattach the electrical connector firmly. Carefully push the fender liner back into its original position, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reinsert the 3 plastic push pins to secure the fender liner. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Turn on your vehicle and test the new fog light to confirm it is working properly. You have successfully replaced your Jeep Grand Cherokee fog light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.